Hi, I'm Tim and I'm a chippy by trade, but today I'll be testing out this Earthwool SoundShield wall insulation. This is a new R2.5 wall insulation. It's made from 80% recycled glass. That's why it's called the high density glass wool insulation. The density helps give it exceptional acoustic and energy saving properties. We'll see if it lives up to its promise when we test it later. Out of the packaging you can see that this product is really soft, which means it's easy to cut. Earthwool is known to be easy to handle, like me, but it's the new Twin Tech manufacturing technique that gives this a super smooth finish on both sides. Alright, let's get into the nitty gritty. This pack in particular contains 14 bats, which is going to cover you just under 10 square metres. It's non-combustible, it's odourless, has high thermal performance, and the cherry on top has a 50-year warranty. 50 years? I think it might even outlast me. Okay, that's enough talk. Let's get in the walls and test it out. On this project, we put insulation over the brickwork and behind the exterior cladding. This was to help boost the energy efficiency of the home. We've also put some in the interior walls to help with sound transfer between rooms. Noise-wise, I think that's a pretty good result. This product is really ahead of the game. It's got little air pockets which help absorb the sound, which make it a lot more comfortable for people inside the home. So head to a Bunnings store and grab some insulation so you can make sure that your client's home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer. So there you have it. The Earthwool SoundShield wall insulation is perfect for your next project. It's great quality and it's easy to install. Thanks for watching, and make sure you go and check out some of our other video reviews.